Hi, ladies and gentlemen, 2012 Chevrolet Cruze. Yeah, it's Cruze week. Oh, may have had a bunch of them. But anyway, complaint with it is that check engine light started flashing. Of course, traction control, all that goes right with it. Well, in this case it did. Misfire is the problem. I've got the freeze frame data pulled up. Doesn't really give me a whole lot, so I jumped ahead a little bit, by the way. I ended up taking the cover off of this. So this is where we are now. Let me get in there. So I took the coil out, or off, out, whatever you want to call it. Just in case the camera doesn't pick it up, what I'm seeing is antifreeze in 2 holes. Now, that being said, that could have been somebody being careless. There's a new hose here. I mean, I don't know. There is a new hose right there. I don't know why antifreeze would get to that point. Coolant is low, a little low anyway. I don't know. So you see, flip that screen around. See, these coils are soaked with antifreeze. I don't know that you see that or not, but anyway, take my word for it. It is. There's no reason why there should be antifreeze standing right there unless something terribly has gone wrong. So, I don't know. Let me do a little bit of thinking. I'll blow them holes out. I definitely want to pull the plug. So, I put the pressure tester on it. I mean, I didn't think there was anything wrong, but I wanted to check it anyway. Sorry about that. So, like I said, I didn't think for no reason that there may be a crack there, but I want to check anyway. Pressure is bleeding down a little bit over time, which that's not an issue. So, I had a good amount in it. So, anyhow, we're going to go for a test drive. Anyway, ended up missing the rest of the video. Got sidetracked. Customer came by already and all that good stuff, but it's been a couple of weeks and the customer finally called me back and, or well, she didn't call me, she texted me back and told me that cleaning the antifreeze out of there must have done it because all of a sudden it's not doing the misfire thing anymore. So I know this kind of crappy short video, but that just goes to show how liquid in a hole right there can make the car go wonky and, you know, cause problems. So be aware of that. Make sure that if you change your hose or something like that, you're not going to get antifreeze in the coil. We'll see you on the next one.